Are you ready to do it?
Are you ready?
Yes!
Hi, and welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff. Today I am unboxing the Duo 360 Airflow Styler. My mother-in-law actually recommended this to me for my daughter's hair. My daughter is going to be in the Nutcracker and she is part of the party scene. She's one of the little party girls and she is supposed to have her hair half pulled back and then curly. She has naturally kind of straight hair with a little bit of wave to it, so I have never used any hot tools on her hair before, and I am excited to try this one out. So today I'm going to unbox it, and then later I'll show you what her hair looks like all styled. You can buy this in so many places. You can buy it directly from the company's website. Amazon has it, Target has it. I found the best deal at Walmart. I will probably link to the Amazon one, but that one wasn't going to be here in time for me, and it also didn't include Prime free shipping. Okay, so take the plastic off, and it comes in two colors. It comes in black and it comes in blush. I would have loved to have had the blush one, but I needed it here this week because she has dress rehearsal tomorrow, and I'm gonna try it out on her hair today for the very first time to see what I'm in for. But I ordered the black one because that was the only one that would get here in time. Take that off. All right, so open it up, and here we have, I'm assuming this is information. I'll open that up. The Duo, and it is supposed to be able to straighten your hair or curl it. My mother-in-law saw some videos about the hair and she said it came out in perfect ringlets, which is what I need. So I am hoping that that will work. I've watched some great videos too of other people demonstrating it, and I'm gonna try it out for myself. So this is a US company. It shows me a picture of it. Styling tips for straight hair, for curls and waves, and for defined curls. So we are going to try out the defined curls because that's what I need. Holding tool parallel with floor, squeeze clip to open plates, insert a 1 to 2 inch section of hair starting near the roots. Those with shoulder length hair or longer may want to start curls at mid shaft. Flip end of section over the top of the tool towards the body. With your free hand grasp tool tip, slowly slide down the section of the hair. Well, here, let me take it out of the box. All right, let's see. So here is the Duo, and it has a pretty long cord, which is good. It is pretty short. There's also the Grande, which is probably what I really needed, but again, that wouldn't have gotten here in time, so I'm gonna try this out. One thing that I like about this, from what I have seen versus a curling iron I already have, is that the outside is cool and protected, so I shouldn't burn my daughter. There should be no risk of that. And the plates inside are what get hot. Another thing that is different about this as opposed to a regular curling iron is that with a regular curling iron, say like this is the curling iron, and you would like wrap your hair all the way around the curling iron and then clamp it and like let it set the curl. With this one, from what I've seen, you clamp it near the head, rotate, and then you pull it through the hair. I'm not gonna do it right now. I don't have it plugged in. I don't have it turned on. I'm gonna wait till my daughter gets home and try it out on her. So we shall see what her hair looks like. I can't wait, I'm so excited. And another great thing that I've seen about this is these are cooling vents. So there's a little fan button right here that if I hit that, then the fan should come on. I'm gonna read the directions and then I will demonstrate it for you and show you what her curls look like. All right, so Molly is home from school and I'm going to practice doing her hair. So right now her hair, it's pretty straight. It has a little bit of wave to it. And for Nutcracker, we're supposed to pull it half back and then curl. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna use a couple of Pure Haven products. I'm gonna put some detangler in her hair to get it nice and smooth and get all the tangles out. And then I'm gonna mist it with the Super Greens Thermal Protection Hair Mist to protect her hair from the heat of the hair dryer or the Duo heat. So we will see how this works. We'll see if she gets some curls in her hair. So I watched a couple other videos where people did their hair with the Duo, and I saw that it seemed helpful to like put these clips and clip your hair back and do it in sections. So I'm going to clip Molly's hair up. I'm gonna turn this on. You plug it in. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and then I'll click the power button and it lights up, but you have to hold it down and then you keep pressing it to get it to the heat setting that you want. And then once it gets to that heat setting, the fan will turn on and the fan will have cool air come out through here. The only part that gets hot is the inside, which is one thing that I love about doing my little 5-year-old's hair is I don't want to burn her. So the inside is the only part that gets hot, not the outside. So we'll see how this works.
Are you ready to do it?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to have your hair curl?
Yeah.
You can see it's still heating up. And then once we start hearing the fan, that should mean that it's ready to go. Ooh, you hear that?
Yeah.
That means it's ready. Okay. So, here, face the TV. Face that way. Okay, so I have a little bit of Molly's hair down here. And one thing that I saw is it seems like it curls better if you do little sections. Now there's the Le Duo and the Le Duo Grande. I ordered this just a few days ago and needed it right away, so I didn't have time. The Grande was gonna take longer to ship. So what you do, what I've heard, is you put it near this, flip the hair over it, and you kind of just pull it through the hair, and we'll see if that curls. Oh, that one didn't curl. Let's try it again. Just a little bit of hair. Ooh, we got a curl down there.
Messy.
Okay, let's try another section. We got a curl. Okay, do just a little bit at a time. And we want it to just glide through your hair. So put it kind of up here. And Molly has really long hair. So it's probably quicker and easier if your hair isn't so long.
I'm looking to see if it curls.
It's kind of not curling as well as I expected it to. Maybe I'm going too fast. Maybe your hair is too long, I don't know. I feel like it's not curling it.
Maybe you're not doing it correctly.
No, I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Like, how come one, it does this, and the other one, it doesn't do anything at all? I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Can we return it?
Let's try doing a smaller section.
I ended up practicing with the Le Duo on my hair and then trying it on Molly's again. I found that I was able to get it to curl fairly consistently with a little practice, and her curls looked gorgeous when I was done. However, it took me about a half hour to get her hair to look this way, and the curls didn't hold, even with a lot of hairspray. 5 hours later, when the show was over, it barely even looked wavy.
So we tried something else. Molly is, can you turn around for a second? Okay, so I'm gonna take these clips out. We wore it all fancy like this to church this morning. But Molly, can you just like heel or something? But I put her hair in like these little twisted buns. We have 5 of them. She's supposed to have her hair half up. So on the half up part, I have 2 little twisted buns. And I'm doing a video of this just in case it's awesome. I really don't have much time to do her hair this morning, so I'm hoping this makes it curly. What do we think? Is this gonna be better or worse than yesterday?
Better.
Better? Okay, let's take one out and see what we've got. Okay, so we have all these 5 little twisted buns. Okay. Here. Go, Molly.
Let me see. Let me see if it's a curl. Let me see if it's curl.
Okay.
Oh.
And then I'll need to break it up a
That is
little bit.
So.
Okay.
That's so a good curl.
So, and they're twisted.
See what we've
Because
got.
maybe just twisting her hair overnight actually works better. What do you think they'd say if I just left it like this? It's like dreadlocks or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so then do we just like split it up? How do we do this? Let's try to... See if I can break up the twists a little bit. Okay. It took me a half hour trying to curl her hair yesterday, and it didn't stay in that well, the curls. It looked good when I was done, but it did not stay in. So today I only have like about 5 minutes to do her hair. So I did this last night. I spent more time twisting it up last night than I am breaking it apart this morning. Okay. I feel like this is curlier. I mean, that looks curly, right? That looks curly.
Yeah.
Do we think?
Yep.
It's curly. Okay, and it'll probably loosen a little bit more as you're there. Just break it up a little bit, and we'll see what it looks like after the show too, if it's still curly or not. Okay, so I think your hair is done. Let me see.
Yeah.
So I think the takeaway of this is sometimes not using heat is more effective than using heat to curl your hair. Okay, I think it's beautiful. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, so still kind of wavy curls, but I think it actually came out at least as good, and I just really don't have time to use the curling iron on it. So this is what we're gonna go with today. We'll see how long it lasts.
The air-dried overnight curls ended up lasting all day, well after the performance. Her hair was still curly when it was time for bed. Perhaps the Le Duo works better on shorter hair or certain hair types. I may use it on my hair once in a while to add some soft curls. But as far as my daughter's hair goes, it wasn't what I was expecting or hoping it would be. In my opinion, the Le Duo is not the miracle curling iron some reviews make it out to be. Thanks for watching Pretty Creative Stuff. Please like and subscribe and tell me in the comments your favorite way to add curls to your hair. Have you tried the Le Duo? Did it work for you?